What if I told you that simple habit you do every morning could be costing you over $500 a year in unnecessary expenses? Most riders don't realize they're throwing money away with routine practices that seem harmless. In this video, we're counting down 6 expensive motorcycle habits and showing you the smarter alternatives that could save you hundreds to thousands over time, depending on how many of these you change. Each habit comes with a clear solution you can use right away. For example, checking your tire pressure once a week with a $10 gauge can instantly save fuel and extend tire life. But that's just the start. One of the most common money-wasting habits actually begins with your chain. 1. The chain oil myth. Here's a habit that feels protective, but actually wears your bike down. The chain oil myth. Many riders believe that giving the chain a heavy coating of lubricant after every ride adds extra protection and smoothness. In reality, that more is better approach quietly drains your wallet by wearing out parts much faster than necessary. Excess oil doesn't stay clean. It turns your chain into a collector for road grit, sand, and tiny abrasive particles. Mixed together, these create a gritty paste that scours your chain, sprockets, and seals during every ride. Instead of extending life, over-lubrication can dramatically shorten the lifespan of these components compared with proper care. Chain rollers and sprocket teeth in particular can wear out long before their time, forcing replacements earlier than you expect. And replacement isn't cheap. A new chain alone can run around $250, while a full chain and sprocket set is often $300 to $500 for parts. And if a shop installs it, labor pushes the total well above that. Under correct maintenance, a quality chain can last close to 20,000 miles. Over-lubrication can cut that down to around 12,000 before the system needs renewing, which means both more frequent repairs and higher long-term costs. The fix isn't complicated. It's about doing less, but doing it right. Lube smarter with 3 quick steps. First, apply lubricant sparingly to the inside of the chain while slowly turning the rear wheel. Second, let the chain rotate for a moment so the lube works into the rollers and O-rings. Third, wipe away every bit of excess with a clean rag. That's all it takes to protect the drivetrain without inviting problems. A simple shift in technique keeps hundreds of dollars in your pocket. And while chain care is a hidden expense, another everyday habit drains money even faster. And most riders don't even realize it starts at the fuel pump. 2. Premium fuel fallacy. Have you ever stood at the pump and automatically reached for the premium handle, convinced it gives your bike extra performance or longer engine life? That's the premium fuel fallacy, a habit many riders adopt without checking whether their motorcycle actually needs it. The reality is simple. Unless your owner's manual specifies premium, you're spending more for no measurable benefit. Most modern motorcycles are designed to run on regular fuel. Higher octane fuel doesn't add horsepower, improve mileage, or keep the engine cleaner in standard compression engines. In fact, many modern bikes have knock sensors that automatically adjust ignition timing to prevent knocking, making premium unnecessary for the vast majority of everyday riders. At best, premium fuel offers no improvement here. At worst, it drains your wallet a little more with every fill-up. How much extra are we talking? At current prices, premium typically costs 20 to 40 cents more per gallon than regular. If you ride 10,000 miles a year and average 40 miles per gallon, that means you'll buy about 250 gallons. The result? An extra $50 to $100 spent annually with zero gain. And that's just for one bike. Spread across multiple years or across a group of riders who all default to premium, the unnecessary expense quickly climbs into the hundreds. The fix is effortless. Open your owner's manual and check the fuel recommendations. Look only for the minimum octane rating your manufacturer specifies and stick to that. Following this guideline ensures your bike performs exactly as intended without wasting money. In many modern, knock sensor-equipped motorcycles, higher octane beyond that rating simply provides no added value. Here's a quick challenge. After this video, check the sticker on your fuel cap or flip to the fuel section of your manual. That one glance can keep hard-earned cash in your pocket. And while fuel choice is an easy cost to control, another often neglected detail slowly eats into both your money and your margin of safety every time you ride. 3. Tire pressure neglect. How often do you actually check your tire pressure? For many riders, the answer is not nearly enough. Tire pressure neglect might look like a small oversight, but it steadily drains both your wallet and your bike's reliability. The problem is that tires lose air naturally over time, and a visual check isn't enough to catch it. Even running just a few PSI low brings real consequences. More rolling resistance means a noticeable fuel penalty, and underinflated tires can wear out 25 to 30% faster than they should. With quality motorcycle tires often costing $300 to $500 a set, those skip checks add up fast. Improper pressure doesn't just affect costs, it affects how your bike behaves. Softer tires flex too much, heat up excessively, and increase the odds of blowouts or poor control during sudden maneuvers. Handling feels sluggish, braking distances lengthen, and ride stability is reduced. Manufacturers and maintenance guides consistently warn that even small underinflation can shorten tire life by thousands of miles while burning extra fuel along the way. And while overinflation may look safer, it creates its own problems. Less traction from a smaller contact patch and uneven center wear that cuts lifespan short. The good news is that this is one of the easiest habits to fix. Use a handheld digital gauge. Check weekly and before long rides, and inflate to the pressure listed in your manual or on the swing arm sticker. Not the number stamped on the sidewall, which only shows the maximum safe rating. Always measure pressure cold before the tires heat up from riding. Following this simple checklist can save you $200 to $400 annually in combined fuel and tire savings, while giving you a more predictable, controlled ride. Addressing tire pressure is about discipline. You're protecting performance and saving money at the same time. But while this habit hits your running costs every week, another common choice eats away at your budget in one big chunk whenever it's time to gear up. 4. The new gear trap. When it comes to protective gear, many riders fall into what's often called the new gear trap. The assumption is that only brand new helmets, jackets, and boots can provide safe, reliable protection. But that belief leads to overspending by hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars. In reality, quality used gear from respected brands often offers the same protection at a much lower cost. Buying used allows you to afford better quality protection than you might otherwise buy new. If you inspect it correctly, safety and cost both win. Big brand helmets, jackets, and riding apparel often sell secondhand for 40 to 60% off retail. That means you could get top-tier protection for far less than the price sticker at the dealership. Just one full set, jacket, pants, and boots, can add up to $500 to $1,000 in annual savings when purchased wisely. The key is knowing what to look for. Always inspect stitching for fraying, check armor condition to make sure it isn't deformed or missing, test zippers and other closures, and watch for material degradation or deep abrasions. Well-kept textile or leather gear can retain both abrasion resistance and impact protection for years if stored and maintained properly. Helmets, however, are the one major exception. Because a single unseen impact can compromise their safety, never buy a used helmet unless you know its exact history and condition from a trusted source. Otherwise, treat helmets as a new-only purchase. If you want discounted options without going secondhand, consider open box or return stock from reputable retailers. These often provide near-new items at a reduced price while giving you the assurance of proper safety standards. Smart riders recognize that gear doesn't have to empty their bank accounts to keep them safe. And while equipping yourself wisely already saves significant money, the real financial drain for many riders starts not with what they buy, but with what they pay others to do for them. 5. DIY maintenance avoidance. How many times have you handed your bike over to a shop for something as simple as an oil change or chain adjustment? This habit, avoiding DIY maintenance, may feel safer or more convenient, but it steadily adds unnecessary costs to your riding budget. Shops charge far more than the parts themselves, and those labor fees stack up quickly. Worse, when riders delay service because of scheduling or cost, small issues can snowball into expensive repairs. Basic jobs like oil changes, chain care, and brake pad swaps typically cost 2 to 3 times more at a dealership than doing them yourself. A $45 oil and filter change becomes a $150 shop bill, A $100 chain and sprocket kit can turn into $300 or more once labor is added. The math is simple. The more you outsource, the more you pay. Riders who take on their own maintenance save an average of $500 to $1,000 a year on labor alone. Some surveys even show average savings of over $2,400 when you factor in time, preventative care, and reduced downtime. Those numbers aren't out of reach. They start with handling the basics: oil changes, chain cleaning and lubrication, checking tire pressure, and visually inspecting brake pads. Each finished task builds confidence for the next. One reason many avoid DIY is fear of mistakes. But most modern motorcycles are designed with owner maintenance in mind. With just 3 affordable tools, a socket set, a torque wrench, and a digital tire gauge, you unlock the ability to do nearly all routine services at home. And learning today is easier than ever. Manufacturer manuals, step-by-step online videos, and active rider forums give you clear instructions anytime you need them. DIY maintenance doesn't just save money. It gives you first-hand awareness of your bike's condition and helps you catch loose bolts, leaks, or worn parts before they leave you stranded. Once you start looking closely, you realize how much you can prevent with a few minutes of attention. Of course, not every habit revolves around wrenches and tools. Some cost riders money every single day without them even leaving the driveway. 6. The idling economy. Think you're letting your bike warm up the right way? In reality, those long idle periods often do more harm than good, and the costs build quietly over time. Many riders let their motorcycle sit idling for several minutes before rolling out, convinced extended idling ensures lubrication and protects the engine. But the truth is, it mostly wastes fuel, accelerates wear, and creates conditions that shorten your engine's life. Extended idling consumes a noticeable amount of fuel over the course of a year, enough to affect your fuel bill, while also promoting incomplete combustion that leaves behind carbon deposits. These deposits settle on injectors, throttle bodies, and intake valves, gradually robbing your bike of smooth performance. The same idle periods also allow unburned fuel to slip into the oil, diluting its lubricating strength. That means more friction between moving parts and higher chances of premature wear. Over time, these problems lead to expensive fixes. Injector cleanings, intake work, or even early engine repairs can quickly run into hundreds of dollars, not pennies. Here's how to break the cycle. Think of the 30-second rule. Start the bike, use that brief time to put on your helmet and gloves, then roll out. Ride gently, keeping RPMs low and avoiding hard acceleration until the engine reaches its normal operating temperature. Under light load, the motor warms up faster and more evenly, while airflow helps keep components balanced. To picture the payoff, imagine cutting just one daily 5-minute idle down to 30 seconds. Immediately, you stop wasting fuel you'll never use on the road and lower the chance of contaminating your oil before the ride even begins. Small adjustments like this make a measurable difference in both cost and longevity. And that's the final piece. When you put all of these smarter habits together, the benefits compound, both for your wallet and your bike's long-term performance. Taken together, these 6 habits represent small decisions that make a big difference. Addressing them can easily save riders hundreds each year. And if you stick with several, those savings add up into thousands over time. The payoff isn't just financial. You'll also keep your bike running stronger, safer, and for longer. Start simple. Check your tire pressure now with a digital gauge. On your very next ride, try the 30-second warm-up rule instead of letting the engine idle. These 2 quick actions alone put you ahead of most riders. Before you go, drop a comment below. Which of these 7 habits do you catch yourself doing, and which fix will you try first? Ride smarter, not harder, and always ride safe.